Ko te reihi, ruarau te kauma iwa tēnei ngā wāhine, te kauma iwa tau mera roi ho te pakeke. Mo take ngā tāne te kauma ono tau mera roi ho te pakeke. Taki ono 500 mita, he whiringa toa I te wahanga Te Ihu. Woohoo! Ko te aratua tahi Cullinan College, Manutuke School kei te aratua rua, te wharekura o rākau manga, te kura kaupapa Māori o Ngā Uri a Māui, Rotorua Boys High School, Hastings Boys High School, Onewhiro Area School kei te aratua whitu, Lindisfarne College kei te aratua waru, me College te papara kei te aratua iwa.
The last 4 races of the day.
Of the
finals.
Of the whole competition.
Yeah, it's been a long week, 5 days of racing, and we're down to the last 4 races. All Te Ihu Finals, under 16 boys, girls, under 19 boys, girls, 500 metres.
Oh, we have a red flag.
Oh, yes. This race is going to get going. The under 19 boys, under 16 boys, 500 metre, they'll be keen to get up on the start line. Talking to the starters before, they're just making sure that they give them all time, and but also quite strict with that black flag.
We have a green flag. Ko te mata te reihi. Whiringa toa mō ngā tāne, te kauma ono tau, me raro iho te pakeke. This is going to be a close one e te whānau.
Certainly is going to be real close. All of these teams will have been practicing for months leading up to this, and just getting through to the Te Ihu Final, through all of the grades, through the heats. Yeah, it's a real achievement just being here on the start line, so yeah.
Te aratua whitupea tērā Kaipara College. Ko te aratua ono ke. Ngā tai a te wharekura, Hastings Boys High School. Kei mua I tēnei wā. Oh, it's hard to tell.
It is hard to tell. They're all pretty tight going into that first turn. They're all in a line, all neck to neck.
Rotorua Boys High School tērā.
Rotorua Boys High School. The races are seeded from the middle out, so those teams who are in lane 4, 5 and 6, they will have been the ones that have come through with the fastest times to qualify through to this final.
We have a double hang, double post.
Oh, that's an interesting technique. Helps to turn the nose of the Waka around potentially faster in these little bit windier conditions.
Te wharekura o rākau manga, te kura kaupapa Māori o Ngā Uri a Māui, me Rotorua Boys High School, ngā kapa ka puta tuatahi I te hurihanga.
Looks like te kura kaupapa Māori or Ngā Uri a Māui looked like they might have been out of their turn first.
But we know some teams are stronger on the straights. Who's going to build to the finish? Ara tuawha, te kura kaupapa Māori o Ngā Uri a Māui with a clear lead I tēnei wā.
Real commanding lead. They did a fantastic turn, came out of that turn first and then just pushed away in the straight, heading towards the finish line. It would be interesting to see if any of those teams on the outside of them can come up with a finish that might catch them up. Looks like lane 3 might be doing that at the moment.
Hara mai te toki kōwai a tātou whakaihu aka. Lane 3 pushing.
Oh yes, lane 4 looks like they took it.
Ko te ara tuawha, te kura kaupapa Māori o Ngā Uri a Māui. Who came second? Ara tua.
Maybe lane 3.
Rākau manga, te wharekura o rākau manga, pēa ka tai tuarua mai mo te mētara hiriwa. Engari a tātou whakaihuaka I te reanga, te kaumaono tau me raro iho te pakeke. Atu I te aratua wha, te kura kaupapa Māori o Ngā Uri a Māui.
Yeah, congratulations to them. You know, the teamwork required to pull off, you know, such a great turn, and then the timing on that paddle out, yeah, they look real impressive.
And knowing when to start building to their finish. I know some of them start at the 200 metre mark. Koera pēr te rautaki, that might be the strategy.
Might be. Yeah, they made it look pretty. They made it look effortless actually. So congratulations to them. They'll be ones to watch next year if they make it through to the J19s.
Koera, that stera is the stera. I heard people talking about him at national sprints as well. Aha kua tana iti, te āhua nei he matakahi.
yeah, he did a great job.
Yeah.
And just probably mentioning that steering is integral to the turns, but it's a team effort.
Ai, tika tērā.